My first step is to cover the box with some gesso, so I made sandcastle and Sedona Colorations spray into the gesso to give a cream look to it, not the plain white. Once it's done, I just dry it completely, and then I use the mud textures paste by Art Ontology. I apply a layer of the mud paste on the top of the book. As this box is shaped like a book, I use a cover book stamp, a rubber one, to imprint the pattern into the mud paste. And after that, once it's really dry, I use the chocolate sorbet to cover the cover of this box. After that, I use the Cocoa Shine medium. It's not about cover everything in this box, it's just about highlighting the pattern of the stamp to make it pop. To give some dimension to the book, I decided to add some metal embellishments. So I cover everything with white gesso so I can, after that, apply the colors I want. As the look of the book will be kind of old leather, I decided to go with a patina look on the metal embellishment, as it was copper and it was oxided. So I used the Teal Velvet medium to cover everything first, and after it was dry, I glued everything on my book and I let it dry overnight. Achieve the vintage look, I used the copper metallic medium on the embellishment because it will give the patina, the oxide look I wanted. So I used a small brush and didn't apply a thick coat, just really small brushes of it on the embellishment, and that will be the final touch. Well, I hope you like it. It's done now. You can see it looks like a book. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.